Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. So nice to have you here. My name is Jasmine Okudu, and I'm still on our JavaScript ES6 series, and we are still on our arrow functions. Okay, in this lesson, we'll be talking about how to add default parameters for your function. With arrow functions, it only gets more interesting and more exciting. So let's go. Let's look at this. Set default parameters for your functions. In order to help us create more flexible functions, ES6 introduces default parameters for your function. Amazing, right? Check out this code. So we have a function here and an arrow function here, and you can see a parameter here. Something looks a bit strange, don't you think? Yes, you can see um, an assignment statement here. So it looks like we're assigning the name parameter. We're giving it a value of anonymous. Okay, and then it returns a string hello plus the name. So how does this work? Let's go into it. So when we have console.log greeting John, um, this this first console is going to display hello John, while this second one without any parameter will display hello anonymous. How does this work? When you assign when you assign a default value to your parameter, it automatically makes that parameter conditional. So you could decide to pass in an argument for it or to not pass in an argument for it. So when you pass an argument for it, what you pass in is going to be used in your function. But if you do not pass in an argument, the default parameter is going to be used in your function. So that's why here we have hello anonymous, because anonymous was assigned to it by default. I hope that makes a lot of sense. I believe it should. Default parameter kicks in when the argument is not specified, it is undefined. As you can see in the example above, the parameter name will receive its default value anonymous. When you do not provide a value for the parameter, you can add default values for as many parameters as you want. So in our lesson here, or in our challenge, we ask to modify the function increments by adding default parameter so that it will add 1 to number if value is not specified. All right, so we're going to do that by giving a default value of 1. Here is our function, a default value of 1 to our value. So let's go ahead and test this out. Usual, we're going to console.log and put in our increments. Perfect. So we'll pass in a value in argument for number, and automatically we get 2, because the default value for value is 1. The default value for value parameter is 1. So you're just going to add 1. If you have 2 or 3, you're going to have 4. But if you have 3 and 20, you're going to have 23, because you've passed in an argument for this. I hope that made a lot of sense. And let's go ahead and run our tests. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.